Let us try this. Find 4 rational numbers between 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. If I do it by method 1, let us do this question. Suppose we have to find 4 rational numbers between 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. If I go by method 1, then we'll add 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6 and divide it by 2 to get the first rational number. So, to get the first rational number, I'll add the 2 and divide it by 2. So, adding it by the butterfly method, what is the butterfly method? The butterfly method is cross multiplying the numerator and denominator. This is a simpler way of adding the two fractions even without finding the LCM. So, what is the butterfly method? In the butterfly method, I will multiply 6 with 3 to make it 18, 4 into 5 which will give us 20 upon 4 into 6, that is 24 divided by 2, that is 38 upon 24 into 2. So, I will get 19 upon 24 as the first number. But this method 1 will be quite tedious to find the rational numbers between two given fractions. Then what is the other method? How to simplify our calculation? Whenever we are given any fractional numbers, we'll first make the denominators common. And how do we make the denominators common or equal? Just by taking the LCM of the denominators. So, given 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6, the denominators being 4 and 6, the common denominator will be 12, which is the LCM of 4 and 6. So, 3 upon 4 can be written as 9 upon 12 and 5 upon 6 can be written as 10 upon 12. Now, but as I told you in method 2, if I have to find 4 rational numbers, I have to make the denominator 5. But here it is not possible to make the denominator 5 because 12 is already greater than 5. Then what to do in this case? In this case, we'll multiply the denominator of both the fractions by 5. So, if I multiply 9 upon 12 by 5, both in the numerator and denominator, which is stated by the equivalence of fractions, that we cannot only multiply the denominator with something or the numerator solely with something. If I am multiplying the denominator, I have to multiply the denominator as well as the numerator by the same number to keep the value of the fraction unchanged. So, where were we? We had got the denominator, common denominator as 12. But I have to find how many rational numbers? 4. For that, I need to make the denominator 5, which is not possible. So, what we will do, we will multiply the numerator and denominator of 9 upon 12 and 10 upon 12 by 5. Multiplying it with 10 upon 5, I will get 45 upon 60 and 50 upon 60. Again, if I represent this on a number line, suppose if I represent this on a number line, my first value is 45 upon 60, the last value is 50 upon 60, and if I have to insert 4 rational numbers, the first can be immediately after 45 upon 60, I can have 46 upon 60, then I'll have 47 upon 60, then I'll have 48 upon 60, then I'll have 49 upon 60. Perfect. We have got 4 rational numbers between the given 2 rational numbers. So, let us recall what we have learnt till now. If we are given very simple numbers, like if I have to insert 1 rational number or 2 rational numbers between 2 given rational numbers, then we can use method 1. What was our method 1? Let us now recall all the methods that we have learned to insert rational numbers on a number line. What was our method 1? Method 1 was finding the mean value, which was r plus s upon 2. Method 2 was making the denominator equal to n plus 1, where n is number of q, that is rational numbers, to be inserted. Method 3, making denominators equal and multiplying with n plus 1. So, we are going to practice more on that and make things perfect.